Thank you. Thank you, first of all, to the Berlinale team for having us here. And of course, thank you to the jury. That's a great honor for me. Thank you, my producers, my great cast and crew, and everyone who supported this film. Our film is about perpetrators who committed horrible crimes. I just wanted to understand their mindset throughout the whole film. I also tried to understand the situation of survivors. I thought about them a lot. And one of the things I learned is that the most terrible kind of loneliness is the one you experience when you're suffering. When you are losing your rights day by day, when you are shot by bullets bought by your own taxes, when you are bombarded by those who do not even consider you a human being. In those moments, you are all alone. But when you see that nobody cares about you and thinks about you, you become the loneliest person in the world. So the least we can do here is to break the silence and remind them that they are not really alone. The Palestinians in Gaza, living and dying in the most terrible conditions. You are not alone. The people of Iran suffering under tyranny. You are not alone. And the Kurds in Rojava and the Middle East, struggling for their rights for almost a century. You are not alone. And finally, my people. You are not alone. My dear friend Chidan, who is in prison for the last 4 years. You are not alone. Tayfun, Can and Mine, you are not alone as well. Osman Kavala, who is in jail for 8 years. Selahattin Demirtaş, for the last 9 years, and Ekrem İmamoğlu, the mayor of Istanbul, and all other mayors who are in prison now. You are not alone. We are not alone. We will not be alone. And a small note, this is a birthday present for my daughter. She will be in 3 years. She will be 3 years old soon. And she loves bears. Eğer uyumuyorsan beni izliyorsan Nora seni seviyorum.
If you're not sleeping and you're watching me, Nora, I love you.